The Flex control panel has the ability to operate the TriCaster audio mixer. You'll notice across the top of the Flex is a set of knobs. The first set, labeled 1 through 8, will affect the first 8 audio inputs coming into your system. Now, beyond being able to rotate these to adjust levels, you can also push the knob to mute or unmute the audio. So I'm going to turn on some music that you can hear. And now I can adjust this by rotating knob 5. You also see that there is a small VU meter that appears below the knob, so you can see that a level is coming in. Next to that, we have control over our TalkBack channel, our DDR and sounds players, which would be the internal media players of our TriCaster. Then we have some knobs for record and stream, and I want to show you where these are in the system so you know exactly what they're affecting. In the TriCaster, if you go to the gear found in your program monitor, you'll see in the record window that each recorder has a knob right here. And if I rotate the knob on the control surface, you'll see it rotating that adjustment on the record channel. So these will allow you to adjust just the recording volume level without changing the live volume output of the system. And for the stream knobs, if you go to the output tab, you can see that stream 1 and stream 2 have some knobs over here, and adjusting these knobs on the control surface will adjust those appropriate audio levels for your streaming outputs. Finally, we have a knob for the master and aux levels. So you can use this to adjust the volume levels of the live outputs of your system. There's also a knob to adjust the phone's output. And then finally, there's one last knob called mic. This one is special. There is a mic input on the back of your Flex. And if you connect that to your TriCaster audio mixer, this will give you additional control over that slider. Now, I happen to have the mic connected to input 5. And so if I press the mic knob, you'll see that input 5 opens up its property panel. And if I press it again, it closes. But once it's open, I can rotate the mic knob and you'll see it adjust the gains inside that input. So this gives you an additional way that you can control the level. If you still want to control input 5 by itself, you'd use the input 5 knob, but this one will control whichever input has the mic assigned to it.